Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss about first exercise part of polynomial lesson. This exercise question number means here I written 2.1. So this is the second chapter in NCERT textbook. In states book the chapter may vary, that may be fifth chapter in state book or maybe another chapter, but all the questions are same. So just go to that lesson first exercise part to understand which question we are discussing today. ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪೊಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆರ್ polynomials in one variable. What is one variable? ಈ one variable ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಥ್ರೂಔಟ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಅದು ಒನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ 4x² - 3x + 7. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್? x. And what variable what variable is there here? X. And which variable is there here? X. So this is the constant of, no need of looking that. So here also we are having x, here also we are having s, and this is the polynomial, right? All the powers also whole number. So it is a polynomial which is having all the variables x. So it is a polynomial of one variable, right? Which variable is that? That is x. Next question, y² plus √2. So which is a variable here? Y. Only one variable we are having. Whether that is having power, whole number? Yes. Whole number means 0 and all the positive number. So that is having power, whole number, and the only one variable we are having here. So it is the polynomial of one variable. Next question, 3√t plus t√2. What is the meaning of this? See here variable is having root. Root means same polynomial we can write. Root t means if any alphabet is having root means we can write that as t to the power half, right? So this question we can write as 3 into t to the power half and t into 2 to the power half also you can write, or we can write a number as it is. In the polynomial, number may be any real number, so it is root or a rational number, irrational number, that doesn't matter. Mainly you should see variables, only the alphabets. See here we are having same spelling, but what about powers? Is it a whole number? No, right? Root t means that is t to the power half. Half is not in a whole number, half is a rational number. Whole number means only 0, 1, 2, 3 and all the positive numbers. But half, that is not a whole number, that is rational number. Here variable is having power half, so this is not a polynomial of one variable, right? It is having same kind of alphabets, but power is here, that is not whole number, so it is not a polynomial. First of all, this is not a polynomial because that is not having power whole number. Next example, now let's see the next question. Y plus 2 by y. See, again we can write this as y plus and 1 by y, that you can write as y to the power -1. If you have any fraction like this 1 by x, you can write that as x to the power -1. If you have 1 by 2, that you can write 2 to the power -1. In the same way here 1 by y, that you can write y to the power -1. And in the numerator you are having 2, that you have to write as it is. So this one we can write 2 into y to the power -1. Is it having same variable? Yes, it is having same variable. But what about the degree? Whether variables having whole number powers? No, here power is not a whole number, that is -1, that is a negative integer, right? So because of the power of the variable, here is -1, that is not a whole number, so this is not a polynomial. So if it's not a polynomial, then how can it is a polynomial of one variable, right? First of all, that is not a polynomial. Then we can't write that is a polynomial of one variable or two variable. If it is not a polynomial, just write it is not a polynomial because that is not having the degree whole number. Now next, see this one. See here powers are whole number, but what about the alphabets? Whether that is having same alphabet? No, we are having different. One is X, one is Y, and one is T. Here we are having different kind of variable. So that is not a polynomial of one variable, or you can say that this is a polynomial of three variables. Here we have three different variables, right? So this is not a polynomial of one variable. This is the example of polynomial of three variables. Now let's see the next question. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. This about coefficient I already said in the introduction part. What is a coefficient? Coefficient means, for example, x square means which number will be there along with the x. You have to write that. Next, first question, 2 plus x square plus x. So we have to see the coefficient of x square. Which number is there along with x square? No number, right? There is no number. If the variable is not having any power or any number, what we have to write? We have to write 1. So this again we can write as 2 plus 1x square plus 1 plus x. So which number is there along with x square? 1, right? If the number is not there, we have to write that is 1. So which number is there along with x square? 1. So coefficient of x square is 1. Now let's see the next question. Here also variable is not having any coefficient, means there is no any number, but we should write 1. But what about the sign here? See, here we are having plus sign, so plus only. Here we are having minus sign, means you have to write minus. So what is the coefficient of x square here? -1. Here variable is not having any number together. If the number is not together in the variable, we have to write that is 1. Because of minus sign here, you have to write -1. So coefficient of x square here is -1. Next, pi by 2 x square plus x. I will write here pi by 2 like this, x square plus x. We have to find the coefficient of x square. So which number is there along with the x square? That is pi by 2. So coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Next question, root 2x minus 1. So what is the coefficient of x square? Where is the x square term? Here x square term is not there, right? So x square term is not there means we can write coefficient of x square is 0. X square term is not there. So you can write coefficient of x square is 0, or you can write like this also. 0 into x square plus root 2x minus 1. Again you can rearrange this question in this form. Here also coefficient of x square is 0 only, but don't write 1. If you write the 1, then full expression will change. That will be, if you multiply by 1, then that will become x square plus root 2x minus 1. So don't multiply by 1. If you want to introduce new term, you have to write that variable along with 0. So this is the correct form. This is not correct. If you want to introduce new term, you have to multiply that term with 0. When you have to introduce new term, multiply with 0. Or here x square term is not there, so no need of writing the coefficient. Term is not there means we have to write 0 only. So coefficient of x square is 0 because x square term is not there. Next, give an example of the binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. What is the meaning of binomial? Bi means two, nomial means terms. First I will write two terms, x and y. Degree 35. What is the meaning of degree? Maximum power should be 35. So any variable, I will write here 35. So what is the maximum power here? 35. So it is a binomial of degree 35. We can write a square plus b 35 also, which is the maximum power here 35. So degree is 35. In the same way, you can write many examples. Let's see, write one more example. Z plus y, z to the power 35, y to the power 2. So this is also example for the binomial of degree 35. By means 2 terms, degree means maximum power of the variable. Next we have to write monomial of degree 100. Mono means one term, right? Write any one term, x or y or z. Degree 100 means you have to write the power 100. If you write the power 100 here, that is the monomial of degree 100. Monomial means you have to write only one term. No, don't write like this, x plus 1. This is not a monomial, this is binomial. So monomial means we have to write only one term. This is a binomial. So write any one alphabet and power 100. So this is a monomial of power 100. You can't write 1. How we are deciding the degree? By looking the variable, right? 1 is constant. So don't write 1. Just write any alphabet, any variable. Then write the power 100. It is a monomial, means one term power 100. It is a monomial of degree 100. Next, write the degree of each of the following polynomials. What is the degree? Degree is the maximum power of the variable. So what is the powers here? Here power is 3. Then here power is 2. Here variable is not having power, means that is 1. So which is the maximum power here? 3, right? So degree of this polynomial is 3. So degree of this polynomial is 3 because here maximum power is 3. So degree is 3. Next, 4 minus y square. So what are the variables here? Here you are having only one variable, that is y square. What is the power here? 2. So degree is 2. Here 3, here 2. Next question, 5t minus root 7. So which is the variable here? 5t is the variable. What is the power? Power is 1. So here degree is 1. We are having only one variable there, t, that is having power 1. If the power is not there, we have to take that is 1. So degree is 1. Here we are having 3. How we are deciding degree? By looking the variable. Here we are not having variable, means the degree is 0. If you are not having the variable, how can we decide degree, right? So if you not have the variable, you have to write degree 0. Instead of, if you have any term like this, then what is the degree? Here degree is 1. If the variable is not having power, then you have to write 1. If you are having only number, then you have to write degree 0. If you are having variable, then you write, but that is not having power, means degree 1. If only number is there, you have to write degree 0. ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್, ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್, ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಷನನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How we are deciding linear, quadratic or cubic? On the basis of degree ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 3 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 2 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಲೀನಿಯರ್. So what is the maximum power here? 2. If the power is 2, then that is quadratic polynomial. If the power is 2, that is quadratic polynomial. Now let's see the next second question. X minus x cube. Here variable is not having power, so that is 1. Here 3. So maximum power is 3. So then that is cubic polynomial. This is cubic polynomial. Now let's see the next question. y plus y square plus 4. So now let's see the next question. Y plus y square plus 4. So here power of the variable is 1, here 2. So what is the maximum power? 2. So degree is 2. So if the degree is 2, that is quadratic polynomial. If the degree is 2, that is quadratic polynomial. Next, 1 plus x. So what is variable here? X. What is the power? Power is 1. If the power is 1, that is linear polynomial. Next, 3 into t. Here what is the variable t? If the variable is not having power, you have to take that is 1. So this is also linear polynomial. First 2, if the power is 1, that is linear. Power is 2, that is cube. Quadratic. If the power is 3, that is quadratic. We can remember this sequence LQC, linear quadratic cubic. 1, 2, 3. Power is 1, power is 2, power is 3. LQC, that is linear quadratic cubic. Next, r square. So what is the variable here? R, power is 2, then that is quadratic. So this is a classification of polynomial on the basis of degree, linear, quadratic, cubic. So one more question is there, that is 7 into x to the power 3. Here power of the variable is 3. So then that is 3 means that is cubic. If the power is 3, then that is cubic. So these are about exercise 2.1. If that is the 5th chapter in your textbook, then that is the exercise part of 5.1. If this is the 2nd chapter in your textbook, then this is exercise part of 2.1. So these are the simple questions that were there in this exercise part. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you.